In this demo, you'll see how to set up Pipeline Management Agent to keep your pipeline updated without the admin work. It all starts in Salesforce Go. Toggle on Pipeline Management Agent, and with one click, you're ready to configure it. Out of the box, Pipeline Management includes pre-built flows that work immediately. No setup required. When your business needs more control, you can customize them seamlessly in Flow. Next, choose which fields you want to keep up to date. Next step and stage are enabled by default, but you can also activate custom fields, like competitive analysis, which identifies opportunities facing competitive pressure. For each field, you decide how the agent operates. In assistive mode, recommendations are surfaced for reps to review and approve. When you're ready to automate, switch to autonomous mode, where updates happen automatically without seller review. You can choose which interactions the agent analyzes and tailor how recommendations are generated. Want to include SMS? Simply add it here, save your changes, and they're live. Next, connect the agent to recommended data sources, like phone calls, video calls, and emails. In this example, everything is already connected and ready to go. With configuration complete, you're ready to deploy. Anyone with access to pipeline inspection can immediately review and approve the agent's recommendations. For users who should receive autonomous updates, simply assign them here, and you're done. Want to take pipeline management even further? Activate your preferred sales methodology, such as MEDDICC, BANT, or Spiced. Pipeline management automatically keeps qualification fields up to date based on insights captured from customer interactions. And that's how you set up Pipeline Management Agent. Your sellers stay focused on selling, your pipeline stays accurate, and every customer interaction keeps your CRM current without the admin work. To learn more, visit help and training at help.salesforce.com.